This is an emergency video if you hold XRP. Now, the crypto market and XRP is crashing, but the stock market is still pushing up higher. Something is going on behind the scenes, and honestly, in my opinion, it is just more manipulation and possibly the biggest shakeout all year. In this video, we are going to be talking about XRP and cryptos, where I think they're headed in the immediate short term and much more. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this video. If you guys watched my video yesterday, I warned you all that this dump was going to happen. And I also gave you the exact level of where, in my opinion, I thought XRP was going to go. And it did the exact thing that we had planned and foresaw. And look at what happened. Look at what XRP loves to do. We see this low, we take out the low here, and we just took out and made a new low. So we hit $2.69. And since then, we have bounced up and we are holding relatively strong. We are up about 5% right now, which is a very strong reaction. And the funny thing is, XRP, if you actually take a look at any coin, you take a look and measure how much each coin has bounced. You have Ethereum, Solana, Cardano. The coin that always bounces the hardest during every single crash, I do not know why, but it is always XRP. So the bull market is not over with. This is just a small pullback. People are taking profits. We take a look at the S&P 500. We are at all-time highs again today. The stock market is pumping, which is quite interesting. The volatility, the VIX index is going up a little bit, and the dollar is also pulling back. So these are all bullish indications. The stock market's continuing to push up. They just cut rates. I thought the stock market might finally pull back, but they are cutting rates. They're just pumping the market right now. And that is what they do. Yields are also going up. So this is very, very interesting. Something is off here. So somebody is wrong. And usually the stock market, if it's continuing to move up, the dollar is going lower. That is something that is bullish. That's something that we want to see. It's a risk on environment. Now, congratulations if you guys are in my private community. If you guys followed my trades in the VIP tier. Today I made $30,000 by shorting a bunch of coins. All of these coins I shared exactly when I was shorting in my private community. I am one of the top world ranked trader in cryptocurrency. And if you guys want to follow exactly what I am doing, go ahead and join my private community right now, especially the VIP tier for all access. And again, if you guys want to be trading cryptos, make sure you are trading over on Blofin. This is a platform where you can long and short cryptos. The fees are very, very, very cheap. And that's why I recommend that you guys use the platform because of the fees. If you guys are using Coinbase or any of these crazy platforms, fees are absolutely ridiculous. So what do I think is next for XRP? Well, it really depends on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I think, could potentially come down here to 107. I could be wrong about that. And if I am wrong about that, we should keep pushing up higher, which means this could actually be the bottom for XRP. So $2.84. We could easily bounce back up to $3.20, which is only a 10% move by this week. And if we start to finally break out of this resistance, which we have failed multiple times, we keep failing for XRP. We started break and hold above here. This is when I'm going to be extremely bullish for XRP. So this is what we are waiting for. As of right now, XRP is in a range. You can see we've come to support 1, 2, 3. So we are forming a triple bottom. This is actually a bullish reversal pattern. And if you are an institutional investor and you are trading XRP, this is actually a good level that you want to buy. However, if XRP ends up losing this particular level here, which is $2.72, it opens up the door for potentially this region down here, which can be $2.10 to $1.90. I don't see that happening anytime soon, but it could happen. And we want to be aware of that possibility. But it really depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can hold here, which Bitcoin is at a good level, I think Bitcoin could pull back maybe just a little bit more. But I think XRP and some of these altcoins are going to end up holding their supports. Now make sure you guys are using my AlgoSniper trading indicator. This thing you guys can try today for $1 at AlgoSniper.com. This trading indicator will tell you exactly when to sell before every massive crash. It works for every single time frame on every asset. You guys can try it today for free. You can also try my community today for free. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.